Guys, my box came. It finally came. Like, it's still warm off the truck. And it's the tiniest little box ever. And I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. It's gonna be so fun. Sorry guys about the squeaking. It's my fan. We live in Arizona, okay? Ceiling fans are high. Also, my dog thinks this package is for her. It's not. It's kind of the opposite actually, y'all. It is an Aambutech Slimline cane. I'm so excited. There's a lot of reasons why it's always good to have a cane that you enjoy using. I'll talk about those later. Right now, I want to open the box. Yeah, also I'm opening the box sideways. Disclaimer, I'm blind. I feel like I have to open it sideways so you guys don't see my address. So let's get to peeling off this tape. Oh my goodness. That was not the corner right. Uh-oh.
Do you need scissors?
No. Oh yeah, I have someone with better vision than me filming this so you guys can see it come out.
Your dog, I'm just staring at the box.
I know, she's very... Uh-oh. Sorry, it like started peeling off cardboard. Which, it's never a good day when the cardboard starts to peel. Okay, looky, there we go. We have a flap. Lots of packing paper. Gotta love it. Oh, okay. I got the cane, y'all. How to open this thing? This is weird. Just whip it? No. What the heck?
Do you want me to take a look?
This might be the point where I need...
Wait, I think... Never mind.
Oh, it might be the point where I need scissors. Oh.
Let me look.
Wait, I bet I could just rip it. Are you stronger than a piece of plastic? Obviously, I am not. And my hands are sweating. Oh wait, there we go. We got a hole, y'all. We got a hole. It's so skinny.
And it's orange.
And it's gold.
Oh, it's gold. It looks orange.
It
Got
does
no ball.
not currently have a tip on it because of a lot of reasons. Let's check out some of these tips in here.
Does he need to choose the tip?
Yes, because I needed to choose the tip. When your cameraman keeps talking. Whoa. Oh no, it's another plasticky thingy that I'm probably gonna have to rip.
Probably, there's, the little individual balls are inside tiny plastic thingies inside of that plastic thingy.
I don't want to rip this.
Do you want me to get Dad?
No.
Well, because, you know, like for scissors, so that way you can keep filming.
Oh.
There we
Oh.
go.
Jeez Louise. Apparently there's an easier way to do that, you guys. Note to self if I ever have to open another Aambutech box. So the reason I have so many tips, there's actually a lot of reasons. Number one, I wanted to figure out what tip was actually going to work best. For years I used a rolling ball tip, but that tip is very heavy if you are not familiar with canes. Oh, there we go. So I wanted to figure out what tip was going to be best. And I also, Aambutech for some reason has a thing where you need $50 or more in your cart to even check out, which is kind of ridiculous, but you know, whatever it be. This is a rolling marshmallow tip.
Okay.
It rolls. Let me see if I can put it on the cane to show y'all what it looks like. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so it just threads onto the cane. Unlike my heavy cane, that was a hook-on tip. This one's a thread-on. It's beautiful. And then I have...
It's like a tiny marshmallow.
That opens way easier than all of the other ones. This is a non-rolling marshmallow tip, actually. So, kind of threading, unthreading. Woo! There we go. This is 2-point touch marshmallow basic. Oh, this is interesting. Y'all, I think this is the pencil tip. I've never had a pencil tip in my life. So right here, right now. Yo! This one doesn't want to open.
Try the other end.
No, the other end. Oh wait. Shoot, maybe. Yep, the other end. Oh my goodness! Yeah, this is the pencil tip. I have never in my life seen one of these or had one. Let's see what it looks like on the cane. Oh my goodness! This is so weird! Oh my goodness! I've never seen one of those in my whole life. This is another marshmallow tip. I have a regular one and a high mileage one. Just because, you know, $50 minimum. Aambutech, guys. Aambutech. Yeah. This looks, let's see, where's the other one? This looks pretty much the same as the other one. I think. It's kind of fatter.
Here. Yeah, the one you just opened is a little fatter.
Yeah.
And plus it's a different material. The other one's pure white. The newer, the one you just opened is a more of a clear white.
Yeah, one is high mileage. So, and my dog is so sniffing this. She doesn't realize what this means. This is the tip I'm most excited about.
She's video bombing. She's taking over the screen.
Pen, can you move? Come here. Guys, this is the tip that I actually, low-key, think I wanted the most. Let me get this pencil tip off and then open this one. This is a metal tip. I liked the NFB folding canes. They're just super fragile because they're made out of carbon fiber. And this one's graphite. And so it's a little bit more durable. But I like the feel of the NFB folding canes, and they had the metal tip. So,
Do we try?
no, you have one job and one job only.
Your dog's still video
Penny,
bombing.
come here.
She's there.
Go.
She's
Out,
there
out.
in front of you.
Penny, come here.
She's still in front of you.
Penny, come here. Oh my goodness.
No.
She's
Here, I'm
like,
gonna move to the side.
no.
That way she's
Oh,
not video bombing
okay.
anymore.
She's like not even sure when her package comes. When her part of this comes, she's used to everything I order being for her. For once in her life, that is not the case. Okay, well, this one did not want to open. So, here's the metal tip. It's beautiful. It looks a lot like Hennig, move. No, come here. Penny, come here. There we go. It looks a lot like the NFB metal tips. It's kind of more rounded, I guess. Let's pop it on the cane. Let's see. No. Okay. Woo! There we go. Yeah, it looks a lot like an NFB tip and an NFB cane. So, y'all, that is my cane unboxing video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me about anything you guys want to see me do. If you like watching me unbox things and struggle to rip open plastic, get me sponsors so that I can unbox more stuff.
Or see Hen a video bomb.
This is not your turn. Or you can tune into more videos to listen to my cameraman keep talking and talking and talking. Love her. Love her to death. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, just do the usual, like, comment, subscribe, send friends over, family over, anybody that you can think of who might be interested in watching my dog take over the frame.
She's not actually. She left the frame entirely.
Anyways,
She's heading for the toys.
Anyways, send over anyone who you think might be interested in learning a little bit about what it is like to be just an ordinary blind girl.